Okay, guys, so I'm going to start off by cleaning the kitchen. I wanted to do this kind of clean with me because we live in a small apartment, so I just want to show you guys how long it takes to kind of clean this small apartment. And for you guys, it was fast, but for me, it was like an hour, 2 hours. So I'm starting by emptying the dishwasher, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill the dishwasher, but I have to rinse off all the little nasty stuff off the dishes. But I'm just kind of emptying out everything and putting stuff back together. Don't mind my hair. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning. So this is like the fun part. I love cleaning when they are asleep. I love doing all of this while they're asleep because I have no one in my way. Like, that's the best part of staying up late and cleaning because no one's up. You guys are going to think I'm totally weird, but because we live in an apartment, I do not like throwing the food in the garbage disposal. I like to put it in the trash because we live in an apartment, and for some reason, this thing is janky. It's always messing up, so I just put it in the trash, and we have valet trash service, so I don't have to throw it out anyways, but it just helps keep the drain from getting clogged and stinky, so I just throw it in the trash. Unless it's like something small, I will put it in garbage disposal. So I'm just throwing extra stuff away. I filled the dishwasher. I'm going to go ahead and put the thing in. I'm putting some extra stuff that was on the counter away, that was just out, and I still have to wash extra few things. So I'm just making some water because that stuff didn't fit. While the water is running, I'm clearing off the bar. This thing stays so dirty all the time. There's always extra stuff up here. It's super annoying because Greg will put stuff up there and I don't like a lot of stuff up there. So these are the cleaners that I use. They both are plant-based. I will leave them down below, but they're both plant-based. I like to use plant-based cleaners because it keeps from having harsh fumes. And because Zara is small, I didn't want anything too harsh around her. So now I'm back in the kitchen washing these extra dishes that was left. I love Dawn because it gets all the grease and it kills bacteria. I'm really big on cross-contamination, so I just love using Dawn, and I like super soapy soap. So I'm just cleaning the counters. I'm going to spray the counters with the same spray. This is another one that is also plant-based, but it disinfects. And of course I have to clean the nasty high chair. There's so much food in her high chair from the whole week. So I usually clean about once a week, but it's so bad because it was just food everywhere. So now it's time for the living room. This place is used all the time. As you can see, our old couches, which hopefully we're going to get new ones in Zara's play area. I'm just taking and fixing the couch and putting everything up because Greg has stuff everywhere. Then I'm going to spray the couches with some Febreze to kind of freshen them up. And lastly, I'm going to sweep the whole floor. You guys, this don't seem like a lot, but oh my god, sweeping the floor drives me crazy. It makes my back hurt. So I'm hoping to invest in a little vacuum because I cannot sweep the floor every day. So after I finish sweeping, I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning out Zara's high chair cover. I just like to put it in the sink and kind of let it soak and then scrub out all the food. Usually I just put it in the dishwasher, in the in the washing machine, but today I was just, rinsing it and cleaning it, and then I let it hang and dry, and it dries overnight really fast. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie up the trash for the morning. We put the trash out, and it's time to go ahead and mop the floor. And I just spray, this is Pine Sol, I just like the way it smells. And I'm just touching up the floor. I do not use a regular mop because I've had bad experience with a regular mop. But this little pad thing is from like Walmart, and it's on one of those Swiffer things, and it works like a dream. Then I'm cleaning off the wall because Zara had food all over the wall, so just using a sponge and soap. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and charge all the devices for the morning because we like everything to be fully charged, especially my laptop and Greg's work laptop, and of course the iPad for the kiddos, and lastly Greg's remote control batteries because he plays the game. And that's it, guys. It took me 2 hours to clean, and you guys saw this really fast, but everything is nice and clean, and hopefully one day I'll do a final walkthrough of our apartment for you guys. So let me know how you guys feel about these type of videos, these clean with me videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.